Good morning, everybody. I'm taking a second day for recovering. I'm actually going on a waterfall hike today, so I'll have some sort of exercise. It's Caitlin's birthday, and a bunch of us are going. So, let's do it. Here we go. I stole Forresta Fairhair's hat to protect me from the sun on Instagram. Waterfall hike. There's the spider. And its prey. This hike is just like a hour and a half in total, both ways. And definitely don't drinking water today. I don't even need, it's like, I feel like it would, remember being in Chicago, doing this one talk, and it was freezing. And I went to my car to change. I was in a t-shirt. There were heavier people who were freezing. I had fasted all day. I was completely warm. I just get in the zone, and it's like anything I intake would just like take away from that. I can't explain it, but I shall try. It's like my body's going through a process. I'm like sweating right now. Like, it's like going through a cyclical process. And if I drink water, it's gonna stop it, I feel like, and possibly give me cramp. It's like I'm heated up inside, sweating. Drinking water would cool me down. I'm just trying to pull out information and figure this out. Oh yeah. They say when you're dry fasting, when you eliminate all water for hours or days actually, and no food, for the first time, water is coming in through your skin versus being pushed out. And it's very cleansing. So you have no water internally from dry fasting, that you start getting it from the environment, the atmosphere, and it comes in through your skin. It cleanses your pores in a completely different way when it comes inward versus outward. Or I'm completely insane, like most human beings. I feel that when you do this, it somehow eliminates mucus. You actually experience more mucus because there's no water to bind to it. And then finally, when you're done, you drink crazy amounts of water and you flush it all through. The waterfall is right around there. Yolani, Forresta.Fairhair. I'm sorry, when I was closing the car gate, just a little bit like those two lines right there. Natural spring right up there, and this is, we're about to go swimming. Right around there is the waterfall. Oh yeah! Alive! This is so bad ass. So perfectly beautiful. I'm going in. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Woo! That was amazing. The phone fell down, so I didn't get footage, unfortunately. But I was swimming. And I'm not even chittering. I haven't done this in a while. And what's really cool is, as soon as I started to think about it, I started to get a little bit of chittery, but I got rid of it. Oh yeah. Rocking it at the waterfall. I've never seen anybody make it that close to the waterfall. Ever.